Hello sir, my name is Mayur Bhagwat Patil. I am from 4th year IT engineering and my roll number is 43. And my topic for today is 6G communication system. So this is the index outline of my presentation. First we will cover introduction, then literature survey, then details of 6G technology, then objectives of 6G and methodology of 6G. And at last we will cover applications and advantages. First, introduction. Transmission of information between two or more points which are physically disconnected is wireless communication. And the sixth generation system is a new archetype of wireless communication is expected to be deployed between 2027 and 2030 with the full support of artificial intelligence. The 5G communication system will not be able to fulfill the needs of the future rising automation system and intelligent after say 10 years. That's why there is a huge demand for 6G wireless networks. This is the literature survey. Here we can see that there are some authors and their title of the work and remark. So we will explain that. Like first is Ping Yang. He projected their paper about the full study of 6G. Author justified the promising techniques for evolving the 6G technology. The main objective of the author's proposal is about the basic aspects of 6G mobile wireless communication. We are talking about Dr. Dhananjay Kalbande. He started their paper by defining the specifications of wireless communication using among the 6G in the future. And last, there is a Mrs. Anju Uttam Gavas also proposed the evaluation of network generation study. This is the diagram, cellular network diagram. First, there is a start of 1G, then 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and 6G. 5G is current. We can see that Airtel introduced 5G plan overall India, big cities. So 2G is introduced in 1992, 3G 2000, 4G is in 2010, 5G is current 2020, and 6G will be expected to deploy between 2030. So what is 6G? 6G, sixth generation wireless, is the successor of 5G technology. 6G networks will be able to use higher frequencies than 5G networks and provide substantially higher capacity and much lower latency. 6G is mostly theoretical concept representing a set of ideas and theories about how the mobile network, Wi-Fi devices, connected automobiles and other Wi-Fi connected things will look and feel a decade or so from now. It's the future of wireless internet as academics and companies imagine right now. Here you can see the big flow diagram overview of the 6G. We can see the applications of it like quantum machine learning, telemedicine, blockchain, visible light communication, quantum computing, edge artificial intelligence, federated learning, extended reality, bio internet of things, and all. So there are some advantages of 6G technology. Like first is the 6G system will increase performance and maximize user productivity. It will protect the system and secure the user data. It is secure. It is envisioned that the bit rate in 6G will approximately 1 TB per second in many cases. So this is very advanced. We generally experience 20 Mbps, 40 Mbps plans, but it will be 1 terabyte per second. So the most exciting feature of 6G is the inclusion of fully supported AI for driving autonomous systems. We can already see the application of it in Tesla car. Then video type traffic is likely to dominate among various data traffic system in 6G communication, like we can see YouTube and all. Space technology and defense application will be modified with the 6G network. Also there are some disadvantages also. The identified challenges with the 6G generation technology are relatively minor as the technology is in infancy. It would be premature to label any disadvantages of 6G technology. So at its time until practice in a real world system. Still it will be compatibility issues are common. Disadvantages of 6G technology, and it will be expensive. It gonna be expensive plans. Governments can also use 6G technologies in various aspects. Like 6G will have big implications for many government and industry approaches to public safety and critical asset protection, such as threat detection, health monitoring, feature and facial recognition, decision making in areas like law enforcement, air quality measurement, gas and toxicity sensing. When will 6G internet will be available? 6G internet is expected to launch commercially in 2030. China, for instance, launched a 6G text satellite equipped with terahertz system, while technology giants Huawei. Methodology: how will 6G work? How it is exactly working? It's expected that 6G wireless sensing solutions will selectively use different frequencies to measure absorption and adjust frequencies accordingly. This method is possible because atoms and molecules emit and absorb electromagnetic radiation at characteristic frequencies, and the emission and absorption frequencies are the same for any given substance. So, do we even need 6G? The sixth generation of cellular network will integrate a set of previously disparate technologies, including deep learning and big analytics. Need to support machine-to-machine communication in the IoT is less driving force of 6G. So, in short, we don't need 6G right now, but we will need it in the future. Who is working on 6G technology? South Korea's Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute is working. China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology is also working. The United States Federal Communication Commission also working. And some communication companies like Ericsson from Sweden and Nokia from Finland are also working on 6G technology. Prospects and applications. Super smart society. So here, super smart society. The superior features of 6G will accelerate the building of smart societies, leading to the life quality improvements, environmental monitoring and automation using artificial intelligence-based M2M communication and energy harvesting. Then second is extended reality. Extended reality means like services including augmented reality, mixed reality and VR. These are the key attributes of 6G communication system. All these features make use of 3D objects and artificial intelligence as their key driving element. Third one is connected robotics and autonomous systems. So we are currently a number of automotive technology researchers have been investigating automated and connected vehicles like Tesla. The 6G systems help in the deployment of connected robots and autonomous systems. Fourth one is 5 senses information transfer. Fifth one is automation and manufacturing. Full automation based on AI will be provided by the 6G. The 6G automation system will provide highly reliable scalable networks, secure communications using high data rate and low latency. So these are some objectives of 6G. Like first is extremely high data rates per device. Then a very large number of connected devices. Global connectivity will be there. Very low latency, lowering the energy consumption with battery-free IoT devices. Ultra high reliable connectivity. Here is a conclusion of the topic. 6G network is bringing the great revolution in the wireless network with the promising quality of service. 5G network is at its early stage of deployment, and meanwhile there is a massive research going on for the development of standards and technologies for the next generation, that is 6G. We are looking forward towards the growth in that cellular network shortly with the higher efficiency. Here are some references, and thank you for letting me complete my topic presentation. Thank you, sir.